This is my beautiful lichen garden I've had for 3 years. I have 25 species. It's very eclectic. If you used certain ones, you could have a garden with no green in it. Or you can mix them with miniature ceramics for dollhouse or model train style dioramas. You can make an elfin forest with miniature plants, garden sculptures, or crystals. I'm going to expand this 20-gallon container garden into a 10 square foot area by mixing them with rocks, ferns, mosses, and these cow bones for a very tasteful, labor-free garden that is biologically appropriate and makes the most of a small space, using no retail products of any kind. But for now, it's opposite a 20-gallon water garden. Lichen grows naturally on the sides of buildings, discarded objects like wood, bark, rocks, branches, and displaced earth, so you can collect it without disturbing natural areas. I found some growing on this artificial material you can cut with scissors to fit a certain shape. These are very easy to keep alive. The only maintenance is spraying, and you can keep them in the driest places where other plants won't grow. They do get some nutrients from the bark or soil or rock they're growing on, but some of them are like tumbleweeds that go for months without any contact with the ground. You could put one of these in a drawer for a year, take it out again, and it will still expand like a sponge as soon as it gets moisture, raising the question, how long can the fungus that provides the skeleton keep going without the algae? Making them a potential living component of your artwork, postponing the natural requirements all plants have. I saw a video where a witch, I hope I'm saying that right, takes a bowl of these out of a dark closet, sprays them, and runs her fingers over them. You can use them in xeriscape gardening, austere winter gardens, or Japanese Zen gardens. Now, spraying is not like watering a houseplant. It's not the amount of water, but the length of time they're exposed to humidity. There are even a couple of times a year where it's humid for so long, these will expand twice what they usually do. So if you go into the mountains, you'll see a variety of lichens that have special needs and don't belong in full sun, just as lichens that grow on the coast need seawater and the ones in alpine areas need to be cold. You should probably leave those lichens alone. Liverworts and other species are very dependent on the things they're growing on, although they do grow very well in greenhouses. So if you do want to grow a lichen you found in a cool, moist place, have a separate shade garden you keep indoors. This is Cladonia arbuscula, that's crumpled rag lichen, and here's some beard lichen, Usnea strigosa. Here comes a list of all the lichens I have. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.